practicals I'm unable to explain anything as well. So wish you very much happy good morning you everyone on the special platform of MAB classes, and today we are here with the 24th of June current affairs series, and I've not taken the session just because my health issue have. I'm really very sorry. I'm accepting my mistake. I did mistake. I'm so sorry, but we are finally have here. We will cover 24, 25, 26, 27, 28 every current affair series on your playlist of current affair. You will get every videos, every lectures you will get with next level. Clear? Okay. So without wasting time, start. Let's right now. You everyone make the comment if you receiving quality of video, voice, everything is good manner or not. Okay. So let's just start now. We are at 24th of June 2024 current affair series. 24th June special current series. Okay, so the first member question saying who has became the director general, who had became the director general of NTA. Okay beta, NTA. Okay, who had became the director general of NTA. Clear है बेटा? Options are here. भर्तृहरि मेहताब, वेरी गुड नेम है, भर्तृहरि मेहताब बेटा, भर्तृहरि मेहताब बेटा. क्लियर? भर्तृहरि मेहताब. दिलीप सांघनी बेटा. क्लियर? दिलीप संघानी बेटा, दिलीप संघानी. क्लियर है बेटा? नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन व्हाट सेइंग बेटा? एन चंद्रशेखरन, एन चंद्रशेखरन. क्लियर है बेटा? नेक्स्ट वर्ड सेइंग प्रदीप सिंह खरोला, प्रदीप सिंह खरोला. क्लियर बेटा? प्रदीप सिंह खरोला. क्लियर है? क्वेश्चन सेइंग हु बिकेम द डायरेक्टर जनरल ऑफ NTA. क्लियर है बेटा? ऑप्शंस हियर भर्तृहरि मेहताब, दिलीप सांघवी संघानी एंड एन चंद्रशेखरन. ओके, एन चंद्रशेखरन एंड प्रदीप सिंह खरोला बेटा. सो प्रदीप सिंह खरोला बिकेम बेटा डायरेक्टर जनरल बेटा. व्हाट बिकेम बेटा? DG, डायरेक्टर जनरल ऑफ बेटा NTA. क्लियर है बेटा? डायरेक्टर जनरल ऑफ NTA बिकेम है. क्लियर है बेटा? एंड बेटा एन चंद्रशेखरन बिकेम बेटा चेयरमैन बेटा, चेयरमैन ऑफ टाटा. ओके बेटा, चेयरमैन ऑफ टाटा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स. क्लियर है बेटा? इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स. क्लियर है? हु बिकेम? एन चंद्रशेखरन बिकेम चेयरमैन ऑफ टाटा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स बेटा. एंड बेटा भर्तृहरि मेहताब बिकेम भर्तृहरि मेहताब बिकेम बेटा चेयरमैन ऑफ टाटा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स. क्लियर है बेटा? टाटा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स चेयरमैन भर्तृहरि मेहताब बिकेम है. ऑप्शन नंबर फर्स्ट हियर राइटिंग भर्तृहरि मेहताब बिकेम है. ऑप्शन नंबर थर्ड बेटा व्हाट बिकेम है बेटा? एन चंद्रशेखरन. हियर वेरी 1 मिनट बेटा. भर्तृहरि बेटा हियर है प्रोटम स्पीकर बिकेम है बेटा, प्रोटम स्पीकर. ओके, भर्तृहरि मेहता प्रोटम स्पीकर बिकेम है. क्लियर है? 1 सेकेंड वेट बेटा. एन चंद्रशेखरन बिकेम बेटा चेयरमैन ऑफ टाटा एंड भर्तृहरि आवर बिकेम है बेटा 18th लोकसभा डन है. यस, 18 लोकसभा डन है, 18 लोकसभा. एंड दोज बेटा प्रोटम स्पीकर बिकेम, प्रोटम स्पीकर. मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है बेटा, प्रोटम स्पीकर. ओके बेटा, क्लियर है? प्रोटम स्पीकर हु बिकेम है बेटा? सो भर्तृहरि मेहताब बिकेम 18th लोकसभा प्रोटम स्पीकर. क्लियर है? एन चंद्रशेखरन बिकेम चेयरमैन ऑफ टाटा इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स एंड दिलीप सांघवी इफको स्पीकर बिकेम है. इफको स्पीकर. ओके बेटा, इसको स्पीकर became have. Again I am repeating beta. Bhartruhari Mehta became 18th Lok Sabha Protem speaker. N Chandrasekharan became chairman of Tata Electronics. Dilip Sanghvi became beta here. Dilip Sanghvi became IFFCO speaker, and Pradeep Singh Kharola became Director General of NTA. Clear है beta? Director General of NTA. Clear है beta? Understand? Okay. Now next question. We are moving for the next question. Clear? Okay, next question what saying, the central government, question number second, write fast. The central government, okay beta, the central government has implemented clear, has implemented the public examination, the public examination beta, the public examination, clear है बेटा, prevention of unfair means, prevention of unfair means, clear है बेटा, Act 2024, Act 2024, in which the minimum, in which the minimum, clear है, imprisonment of the person is provided, beta. Option beta 3 years, option is beta 1 year, 1 years, option is beta 5 years, option is beta 7 years. Clear है बेटा? Okay, question saying the central government, okay beta, the central government has implemented the public examination. Public examination means any government examination will be held in the publicly, like examination of SSC, examination of UPSC, examination of railway, RO, ARO, UP, APSC, any kind of examination which will be held in the public. Prevention of the unfair means, okay beta, Act 2024, in which minimum imprisonment, like any person will be try to cheat in the examination, any person will be before examination will be released the paper sheet, or any kind of cheating will be held in the examination. Those person if catch by police, then person will be get approximately the imprisonment approximately get for the 3 years. Okay beta, 3 years imprisonment है beta, 3 years prison, और बेटा okay 1 और 10 lakh rupees बेटा, 10 lakh rupees बेटा, clear है, 10 lakh, okay, 3 year prison और 10 lakh rupees बेटा, this is fine have, okay, this rule making by the central government, okay, for the publicly examination. Clear है बेटा? Understood? Any problem? Once again I am repeating, any publicly examination will be held in the public zone, any kind of cheating will be fined by the government. So for those person who will be get fined in the cheating, those person should be have to pay 10 lakh rupees or 3 years imprisonment. Okay, clear है? 3 year imprisonment. Clear? Understand? Next question. Next question what saying beta, e-medical visa, number 3rd yes, e-medical visa facility has been launched between has been launched between okay India and which country? India and which country? Clear है? Options are beta, options are Bangladesh, option Nepal, option third Sri Lanka, option fourth Maldives. Clear है? Question what saying e-medical visa beta. What have e-medical visa facility has been launched between India and which country? Means e-medical visa means beta between the India and which country. So next second country which have those country any persons, yes, those country any persons can easily come to India for their health checkups. Okay, for those e-visa facility has been launched between the two ministers between the two ministers meeting. First Indian prime ministers and second one which state have here between solve this e-medical visa, those matter prime minister. Clear है? So those here which country है बेटा? Those which country है Bangladesh. So between the Bangladesh and the India has this medical visa launched have. Clear है? So prime minister of Bangladesh also came on that day and India PM also, they both has been discussed and they together satisfied for the e-medical visa for health checkup. Any persons of Bangladesh can easily come in India for their health checkup, easily can come. Clear है? Next question number 4th beta. Question number 4th saying Ayana Patradu okay beta, Ayana Patradu Chinta Kayala has became the beta speaker of which state assembly? Clear है? State assembly. Clear है? Option here saying beta Andhra Pradesh, Uttar Pradesh and third is Odisha और बेटा मध्य प्रदेश. क्लियर है बेटा? क्वेश्चन हियर व्हाट सेइंग अयाना पत्रदू चिंता कयाना अयाना पत्रदू चिंता कयाला हैज बिकेम द स्पीकर ऑफ विच स्टेट असेंबली. क्लियर है? हियर नेम यू आर लुकिंग अयाना पत्रदू चिंता कयाला हैज बिकेम द स्पीकर ऑफ विच स्टेट बेटा? ऑप्शंस आर बेटा आंध्र प्रदेश, उत्तर प्रदेश, ओडिशा एंड मध्य प्रदेश. क्लियर है? सो आई वांट टू टेल यू अयाना पत्रदू चिंता कयाला हैज बिकेम द स्पीकर ऑफ आंध्र प्रदेश. ओके, आंध्र प्रदेश असेंबली. क्लियर है बेटा? Understand? So she became the speaker of Andhra Pradesh Assembly. Matter clear beta? Any problem? Any candidate has any kind of problem, easily can ask related these any topics. Okay, clear? Move on for the next question. Number 5th. Okay, question number 5th. What saying? Which has became India's first? Which has became India's first? Clear beta? Which has became India's first? Clear? which has became India's first literature city. Okay, literature city, clear, on the UNESCO list, on the UNESCO list, clear है बेटा, which has became India's first literature city on the UNESCO list बेटा, clear है. So here options are what giving this, understand. Number first option is Kozhikode है बेटा, this Kozhikode, okay, Kozhikode, clear, Kozhikode. And option second what saying beta, Bangalore, clear, Bangalore. Option third what saying Chennai, okay. And next what saying beta, Begusarai, clear है, Begusarai, clear है, okay. Here next saying question, which has became India's first literature city on the UNESCO list, clear है. So city has literature city became have, okay. So literature city became on the UNESCO list, okay, clear है बेटा, on the UNESCO list. So this is बेटा Kozhikode बेटा, Kozhikode where है बेटा, Kerala है बेटा, Kerala, very good, where have Kerala have, clear, Kozhikode in the Kerala have, clear. And next was saying this Bangalore is the first became have who making, Bangalore has first state who making driverless train beta, clear, driverless train. So question if ask which state making first driverless train, so Bangalore, clear है, Bangalore first became which driverless train making have. And next beta saying Chennai, so Chennai has not any tips point. Begusarai in the Bihar है beta, where have, in the Bihar beta, clear है, in the Bihar. World very polluted place है beta, world's very polluted place, world's a very polluted place beta, clear है, world's very polluted place, okay. So Begusarai in the Bihar have, and world's very much polluted place have Begusarai, clear. So India's first which city became have literature city became on the UNESCO list, those is Kozhikode have, and Kozhikode in the Kerala. And Bangalore became first driverless train state, and Begusarai in the Bihar have, which is known as the world's very polluted place, clear have. This topic clear. Next question what saying, those understand. According to the Hindley Private clear beta, Hindley Private, okay beta, wealth migration beta, okay, wealth migration. According to the Hindley Private Wealth Migration Report 2024, how many millionaires are beta, okay, clear है, millionaires, okay, RIES beta, millionaires from India can move out and settle in other countries, clear have, in other countries, clear beta. Option number first one saying 6,300, option B what saying beta 4,300, ऑप्शन 3 what saying beta 7400 and option third beta 5000. clear hai beta. Question saying according to the Hinley Private Wealth Migration Report 2024, how many millionaires from India can move? So total options here are giving 4, which is 6300, 4300, 7400 and 5000. So total how many millionaires will we move? Okay, can move here saying. So questions which is giving, those should be have to understand. Clear. Next, so we have a few questions for you all. Clear. Question for the day. In another episode I will tell you. Question for the day. Questions what saying beta. Number first, which is the largest lake in the world? Which is the largest lake in the world? clear hai beta. Which is the largest lake in the world? And second question saying which is the largest clear hai beta. Which is the largest salt water lake in India? Salt water lake in India. clear hai beta. Next question what saying, what is southernmost point of India? clear hai beta. Okay, what is southernmost point of India? clear. This all the questions for you every. You have to make comment in answers. Okay, answers, make the comment. In another one episode we will discuss these all the questions. So thank you so much for the special series, you watching all and giving your best and responsible time. We are here with the best series episode of current affairs and other all the subjects to related SSC. And best of luck to all the aspirants of SSC CPO and upcoming candidates of SSC CGHSL examination. Surely if did you hard work, then you will pay off your best attention. So don't feel guys anything negativity, just be positive, be standful success. You will get surely success on your the best whatever you have decide, you will get will sure. Okay, so thank you so much for this day series. We will come with our next series of reasoning or maybe a subject which we have making, which we have topic prepared. Those topic we will contain and take here to come with you all to discuss everything in the detailed way, which give you the lot of help you every guys. Okay, so thank you so much, best of luck. I am your Satya Misra with MAB Classes platform official to making you best support with everything. So thank you so much. Jai Hind.